Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Soss number BH124. This is a small little concealed solid brass hinge from Soss, typical sort of Soss item. This is going to be used in cabinet doors. Must be at least 5/8 of an inch thick for this to be the appropriate hinge to be using. Light duty application. This is going to be for finer sort of woodworking, cabinetry, etc. Now, there's a link below this video to the installation instructions. Very simple in terms of the installation instructions. You need, just to drill a couple of holes. However, those holes must be in the correct place. This hinge, you are to drill 8.1 millimeter from the edge that faces the opening. Okay, drill a 12 millimeter hole at a depth of 15.5 millimeter. What they're saying here is that, and it's shown in this diagram really, and what they're showing here is a door that is open, at 180 degrees. So your dimension from the side that faces the opening, 12 millimeter hole, 15.5 millimeter deep. So from here in the center where the black line is, you're going to measure off from the face of the door that when it's folded back would be back towards the face of the frame, but when you open it up, you'd be measuring it from the face back to the center line of your 12 millimeter hole. That's where you drill the hole. Okay, that's where that's going to be, and the same dimension is going to apply. Well, you've got a center to center location is what you're going to do, so you'll be able to locate that in your door, and then the chart gives you the C dimension, which is 19.5 millimeter, which makes perfect sense. So you're going to have one hole 8.1 millimeter off the face of the door, and then come back 19.1 millimeter will give it to you where you have to be. Not really something for any load bearing, even though the full size Soss hinges are touted for how heavy of a door that they can handle. But these little ones, because they're really just pressure fit, they're not intended for any sort of application like any sort of load bearing. Secure mounting in a wooden door or panel is assured by tightening the tensioning screw. Then as you're reviewing the rest of the installation instructions, your D and E dimensions are going to be very critical in order to help you determine exactly the location of that. That's the bottom line. Soss is a name synonymous with hidden sorts of hinges. I have used their products in a lot of applications, especially where obviously concealed hinges are necessary. Very good quality hinge, there's no doubt about it. Okay. Now the tensioning screw that was mentioned is here in the base. And what happens is it's kind of like a wedge anchor, where as you drive that, it's going to force this split portion to the barrel to spread out a little bit and to take hold. Okay, that's it. That's your installation. Light duty use, remember, they have other part numbers referred to in the installation instructions that will give you the difference in the thickness of the door, of what you're working with. If you have any questions on the Soss BH124 hidden barrel hinge, or any other, BH stands for barrel hinge, or any other Soss product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.